Today we're here with Angela Burrell. She's an R&D scientist with the Agrigenomics group with Thermo Fisher Scientific. Thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us a little bit about what you do with your team at Thermo Fisher Scientific.
Well, I work on developing technologies and workflow for genotyping by sequencing solutions for agrigenomics customers.
Very good. And specifically, what are you working on?
Specifically, I work on the library prep kit part of the chemistry. What library prep is it's getting your DNA to the proper size and attaching on specific DNA strands that allow you to track that DNA strand throughout sequencing. I also work on validating panels for customers and for commercialization, specifically looking at animal parentage verification as well as genetic disease testing.
And what's kind of the process that you use to evaluate the types of things that you're working on?
Yeah, we get hundreds of samples in from customers in order to validate our workflow. We like to get in samples that have been tested with other technologies so we can do a comparison between our technology and others out there to make sure that we're getting accurate genotyping results. We also want to see very high call rates, and so we evaluate that during panel evaluation as well as during library prep.
What have been the results from your development or the work that you guys have been doing?
So we've commercialized 2 kits. We commercialized the AgriSeq HTS library kit, which is the library prep portion of the sequencing workflow. And we've also commercialized a bovine ISAG parentage panel, which is a set of markers for bovine parentage verification.
Very good. And what's kind of the overall impact that both of those products would have on the agricultural community?
Well, first of all, they're going to increase throughput, especially for high throughput customers. Customers can test over 1,000. It's actually 1,536 samples per day, which is 1.6 million genotypes per day that they can get results for. We've also decreased the reaction size down as much as possible to allow savings in terms of reagents and costs for the labs performing the tests.
What does this mean for veterinarians and producers too?
So for veterinarians and producers, what they're going to see is a faster turnaround time. Results are obtained within 3 days, and they're going to see very accurate, very repeatable genotyping results, which will allow them to quickly determine animal parentage or determine whether any genetic defects are present and get that results back to the producer as quickly as possible.
It sounds like it'll be, faster and quicker decision making on their part.
Yes, absolutely.
Essentially.
Yes.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for all the information today.
Thank you for having me.